Welcome to the NX CAM session. In this session, we can see 2D wall mill operation, which is introduced in NX 2506, and it is mainly used in aerospace industry. Let's start adding operation. Insert operation, select this 2D wall mill operation, and first we need to create a cutter. Here three types of cutters are supported. One is end mill, or you can say bull nose, chamfer cutter, and ball mill. Here I would like to use end mill with a diameter of 16, and I will give one sample holder here. From the library itself I will take small compression. So tool length, if you want to reduce, you can reduce it. After that, I am going to specify the walls. Right now, if you want to select open walls, you can select it. Otherwise, closed walls, if you want, you can select. It is up to you. One operation will create with the outer one, and one we will create a closed pocket. I will generate. I have not specified any parameters. Just I am generating to show you. Here, it is not mandatory to select a workpiece. You might have observed I have selected MCS and I inserted the operation. So geometry is not there, even though it has generated the toolpath. Here range definition we kept automatic, so it is taking entire surface which I have selected. And also the additional benefit which you get by using 2D wall mill is you are getting this extend wall top option. This extend wall top option will help you to create one air pass to get this sharp edge or anything like this value you can specify, which is equivalent to your diameter or lesser than that. If you give more than that, it will not take. Now we will give, instead of percentage diameter, suppose if I mention 100%, it will generate. You can see that air pass. The best part is before generating you will see that toolpath where it is getting created. If I am willing to give 150%, then it will not generate. Similarly, it is for wall bottom as well. If you want to extend below, that time you can extend it. The above value is 150 I have given. I am changing it again. So now you can see offset must be less than or equal to the tool diameter. So I kept, that's why it is giving alarm. I need to change it to tool diameter. Otherwise I know the tool diameter 16. I can give value 16. Now you can observe here I have extended in the bottom. So I don't want to extend in bottom, so I will keep 0. And you may observe that is air pass which is coming. So this is one advantage you will get if you use this one. And sometimes if you don't want to go up to the bottom, if you want to stop in middle or somewhere at a certain distance, that time you have to change this range type automatic to specify. Here you can select the top object and bottom object, or you can select top object, then you can give the distance up to which it has to go. That value you can give it from here. Instead of value, I will go for this selection of the surfaces. I have selected this as the top, this one is bottom. That name is also indicating. Now you may observe. And in geometry, if you want to have you want to avoid collision of this particular workpiece, that time you need to specify the part so that accuracy will be more. If you want to maintain any stock here for finishing, if you want to leave some material, then you have to mention stock here. Feed and speed is same as that of the other operations. This extension distance is used whenever it is open pocket, and this overlap distance is used whenever it is closed pocket. Right now this is applicable. I can specify and I can get that extension pass. The one more important option here you will get is in engage you will get this extend before arc. This option is very useful, and the engage type you will get two types. One is linear, another is arc normal to the tool axis. So here I am using arc and I am giving extension of 25 mm. You may observe the 25 mm extension has happened. And if you want to give ramp angle, you can specify ramp angle here with which cutter will come and engage. Here I will mention 7 degree. Regenerate. Can you observe here? The cutter is coming with 7 degree, making arc, and it is engaging. This is the most best part of the 2D wall mill, this extend before arc. Sometime if you want to have extension after arc also, that time you have to use this option, extend after arc. So similarly, if you want to generate for closed region, then create operation, same cutter I will use. I don't want to take much time. Right now I am clicking on the workpiece and I am taking cutter of 16 mil which I have given. I will specify these walls. And automatic I kept. I will generate the tool path. Here it has generated a tool path. As the diameter is bigger, it has not went here. So I will change the tool. Generate. Now if you want to extend at the wall top, I will mention here percentage and 100% I will give. So I have given and I have generated a tool path. Here it is disconnecting. Suppose if you want to have that exactly as same as that, then make it 0. Depth per cut, if you want to change in mm, you can change it with respect to your need. Similarly, multiple loops if you are adding, then go for add new set. Okay, don't select continuously. Once one closed loop is selected, then go for other closed loop. Add new, add new, add new, add new, generate. Can you see it has generated everywhere? So suppose this toolpath, you can see it is going in the standard manner. In strategy you can see you select optimize. The difference between standard and optimize is standard will follow its own standard pattern, this red color movement. Optimize means whichever is nearer, which pocket is nearer, there it will go. So keep always optimize so that non-cutting moves will be reduced. As I said, whenever there is a closed one, use overlap distance, and whenever it is open, then use extend. In this image itself you can see extension, whatever you give value, that will be extended in this engage and retract. As well, you can observe here continuous cutting below tool contact. Whenever there is a no contact in the cutter, as you can see in image, green color portion is my cutting area, as well as surface is available up to that green area. Whenever it is going there, it is going up to the bottom. If you don't want to use that cutting parameters there in where surface is not available, then you have to untick. Then whenever surface is not available, then automatically cutter will lift and it will go to the other region. It totally depends on you how you want to machine. Same, go to the non cutting moves, give engage parameters, and here I will take you through transfers. Here transfers we get inherit. If you want to change it to automatic plane, if you want to specify any plane, then take plane option and select the plane from where you want to have non-cutting move. You can mention the value. From there this non-cutting moves will start, or else keep inherit. So before taking a G code M code, you need to mention feed and speed, and take a, by doing post processor you can take output.